Hi guys! So I've been receiving a lot of questions from you asking what to do if I don't have a sewing machine. So believe me, you can still make this without the help of sewing machine. I will show you how you can sew an espadrilles using your two beautiful hands. And this time we will be doing loafers using this tip-top instructions. And we will be again using fabric of my old skirt. It's a very beautiful skirt, but unfortunately I'm not wearing it anymore, so I thought that I will do an espadrilles from it. It's a thick fabric, I love the print, and it will be perfect for espadrilles. So without further ado, let's start.
Trace the pattern pieces with the marking pencil on lining fabric. Place the outer fabric and lining with the right sides together and pin it. Make a knot at the end of your sewing thread. Start sewing from the top part of your espadrilles. This is so-called the machine stitch. It is very firm.
Some of the old songs.
Look closely how I'm doing this. At first you're making a stitch forward and then you're coming back where your stitch ends.
As time goes by. It's been a long time.
Repeat it all around your espadrilles.
For old time's sake.
I don't know what you mean, Miss Elsa.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For old time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old.
This is how I'm making the knot if my sewing thread ends.
For old time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs.
Trim the seam allowance except in the openings. Cut the corners diagonally to eliminate the bulk.
As time goes by. It's been a long time.
Turn right side out.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
Poke out the corners with a pointy object. Press the open seams with the iron. Mark with a pin the center of the toe and the front center of the sole.
Some of the old songs.
Pin fabric around the sole. Be sure to distribute the fabric evenly.
As time goes by.
Sew the fabric to the sole with a blanket stitch. Once you get to the end, bring the needle to the inside of the shoe, not untie off the thread.
Some of the old songs. For old time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
And there you have it. It's time for a walk.